Hello people, today we are again with network hacking tutorials, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about regulatory domains. So we have some standards like IEEE 802.11 that specifies the set of media access control and physical layer protocols for implementing the wireless local area network. So we have some standards that define some things. For example, to be more clear, we have this one, BGN, Wi-Fi that operates on 2.5 GHz spectrum. And we have also this one, AN, that operate on 5.0 spectrum. So, what is a regulatory domain? A regulatory domain we can define as a border that it is on your country. So it is a bounded area that is controlled by a set of laws or policies. Currently there are governing bodies in many countries around the world. Let's say many countries follow some standards set by FCC, that it is for Federal Communications Commissions, and ETSI, that it is for European Telecommunications Standards Institute. We have Japan, Israel, the USA, we have Taiwan, etc., etc. And the problem, let's say it is like this one. Okay, where it was? That one here. You are trying to connect your USB adapter, your wireless adapter, with some networks, but you see that some wireless channels are running only on 2.5 or only on some other spectrum. We saw the last time that we have 5 data frames, but this depends on your USB adapter or your internal adapter, in general your wireless adapter, but it depends also on regulatory domains, because in some countries some channels are not allowed to use and some powers are not allowed to use. So you can say that it is missing some channels or some powers, or you can even try how to reduce signal strength, that it is this one here. We have a file here that show all the regulatory domains over the world. And these are the protocols, the standards that use the ATS1, FCC, Japan, etc., etc. You can find everything on network. This thing, it will be in the description. And let's turn back here. So, for example, if we try for USA here, where it is, okay, it is right here. First of all, I have my wireless connected. Let me unplug. It's okay now, and I'm going to have a look at message that will be shown after I connect my USB. /var log messages, and now I'm going to plug in the USB. We are right here. Let me expand a bit this here. Okay, these are the regulatory domains on the country where I am living, and you can see some information like product, the protocol, manufacturer, and etc. These are by default, and we can have a look here. And in this moment the country is Bolivia, but if I want to change, I just need to type set USA, sorry, just US, and done. Let me check now. Perfect. It is get now my country, it is set US. So the regulatory domains that before it was Bolivia, now it is set to USA. And you can have some information right here or right here, that for example you can be connected with 30 dBm for master and 23 for others. But one more information, in USA you can stay connected with 11 channel. Let's check it. For example, I want to remain configured with this network in channel 12. So what it is saying, that the set it is failed on this device because in USA it is not allowed the channel 12. What if I try with 11? Oh, that's awesome. It is now connected, and the frequency it is 2.5 because the adapter does not support more power. And this is the power for USA, and the dBm, where was the USA, it supports the 30 dBm, and the dBm, the expression right here, it is used to define the signal strength in wireless and cables at some frequencies. The symbol it is just an abbreviation for decibels relative to 1 milliwatt. So because my adapter does not support some power more than 20, sometimes it will give you an error, or it will stay like this one here by default. So we have two important things. That it was the first thing, it is we have learned last time that it depends on your devices, and the second are the okay, just let me type regulatory domains in abbreviation. So when you connect in the network and you want to change something like packets, like managing packets and injection and sniffing and these things, it has two main things. The first, it will depends on your in your devices, on your wireless card, And the second are the regulatory domains that are set up in your country. Sometimes we can change this, but sometimes we cannot change this. So these are the two main things that we have learned. See you in the next video.